Okay, SimplyMepis 8.5 review part 2. Folks, I have to apologize. I was running short on time in part 1 of this review of SimplyMepis 8.5, and to do this review in two parts, I had to cut short part 1 and get straight to part 2. So what I did let SimplyMepis do the install inside the virtual box. I typed in a username and a password. Everything went fine, and I'm just booting it up now after restarting the SimplyMepis 8.5, and we will continue from here. And again, I do apologize for cutting the first one short. Alright, so we have SimplyMepis 8.5 coming up to the boot screen here, loading up. At the bottom right, we have the Mepis Linux progress bar. Almost halfway done there. Let me pause this, and then we'll continue this in just a sec. Okay, as you can see, my username for this is my PC. I'm just going to type in my password, enter, and we come to the splash icons of SimplyMepis 8.5, little hard drive icon. Settings, picture of the world, the box screen, and then finally what appears to be the start box button for SimplyMepis 8.5. And there you go. Okay, well, looks like it's loaded up. And let's see what we got here. I'm going to continue here. Oh, there we go. And the Mepis theme just played rather loudly in my headset, but that's okay. Alright, so if I were continuing this as a Windows user, let's see how intuitive this SimplyMepis 8.5 is to a Windows / Linux user like myself. So let's scroll down to the blue button here, which is probably the start button. Left click, we have games, graphics, image viewer, screen capture program, open office drawer, internet, Firefox, Google Gadgets, Kmail, Conqueror web browser, an internet dial-up tool, and remote desktop client, and Java. Multimedia. So we do have a K3B for disk burning, KDen live video editor, KMix sound mixer, KM player, KSCD, CD player, M player, a well done player, M player, multimedia player. Office, we have Ocular, document viewer, often OpenOffice Draw, OpenOffice org, Impress, Writer, word processor, settings, menu, update tool, MEPIS Network Assistant, MEPIS System Assistant, User Assistant, X Windows Assistant, Java 6 Policy Tool, and System Settings. We'll go to System. We got the Dolphin as SU User File Manager, Partition Manager, KDisk Free, View Disk Usage, Info Center, the Network Manager, the console with the K, K-Wallet Management Tool, Quick Disk Removable, Media Utility, MEPIS NDIS Wrapper Manager, Welcome Center, Synaptic Package Manager, System Monitor, Utilities, Archiving Tool, KCalc, Scientific Calculator, KChar Select, Character Selector, Encryption Tool, Clipper Board Tool, KNetwork Manager, Knotes, KWrite, Text Editor, Sweeper, System Cleaner. Now that I like. We have a find files, folders, help, favorites, run command, and leave. There's two things that quickly jump out at me. Number one is Sweeper, which I don't believe I've tried that yet. And according to Sweeper, this clears the clipboard. Let me just maximize this here. Clears a list of recently used documents, history of commands, clears the list of recently used applications, cache, stored cookies, history, websites, temporary cache. Okay, well, this is something like what, CCleaner, I would say. Yeah, like CCleaner, Sweeper. The next thing that really jumps out at me is normally a pop-up for checking for updates or a little icon that would inform me that there would be updates available. I don't see it anywhere here unless I'm missing it, I mean, I'm sure it's here somewhere. As I go back, let me right-click this. Switch to kickoff menu style. Let me click that and left-click that. And what's it do? Oh, there we go. Okay, it changes the K menu. But once again, I didn't see a quick icon for updating the system, so on that part I don't like. Like I said, it's in there somewhere, but I was looking for something quick and intuitive, and that part it's not. Well, let's see. Let's right-click. It looks like you have lots of options. Create new, icons, sort icons, refresh, open with Dolphin, add widgets, add panel, run command, lock widgets, leave, folder view settings. Well, that's fine. Let's go down to the panel bar at the bottom, and we have Synaptic Package Manager. Didn't mean to click that twice. We have, what's this here? Run as root, don't need that. Kmail client. Firefox. Let me just get out of this. I don't want to run Synaptic right now. Cancel.